Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi and very good morning. Today I want to present about my PSM2. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Abdul Rahman. My title PSM is Effect of T5 Treatment on Mechanical Properties of CNT Aluminium Composite. My name and my supervisor name is Dr. Muhammad Aidi bin Mazlan. So this is chapter 1. Chapter 1 including of introduction, background of study, product statement, research objective and scope. For background study, treatment is a procedure by repeatedly heating and cooling which improve the properties of metal and metal material. The rate of cooling and temperature of metal heater are two of the most crucial factors in determining the metal hardness. And then the heat treatment for aluminum alloys is the most used heat treatment, and including of artificially aging. And lastly, hardness of aluminum alloy improved by T5 heat treatment. This is a problem statement. CNT problem statement of CNT aluminum metal composite was called a lattice material as strength because of its brittle wear resistant. If a feature of a mixer with necessary parameter are present, further processing such as heat treatment can be carried out. The material properties imply that it is extreme. Thirdly, material and engineering were at the forefront of composite material for an extended period. They accept to be customized by modifying fundamental aspects such as a processing setting. And lastly, to make the material harder and more robust than typical T5 treatment procedure had been utilized. So for research objective, firstly to investigate the effect of T5 treatment on mechanical properties of Tixoform CNT aluminum metal matrix composite. Secondly, to perform heat treatment process of the composite with T5 heat treatment and test the mechanical properties. For scope of study in this research, firstly, material of study is carbon nanotube, Tixoform A356 grade aluminum alloy. Second, study focus on mechanical properties of Tixoform trend in heat treated with T5 heat treatment. Experiment used in the study are hardness. Chapter 2 literature brief consists of Tixoform, T5 treatment and hardness. For Tixoforming, it is an intermediate process that relies on a particular behavior that can be exhibited by semi-solid material. This material displays thixotropy, which is characterized by a solid light behavior at rest and a liquid light flow when submitted to compress. This is the schematic diagram for Tixoforming. For T5 heat treatment, it is known as artificial aging. Strength improvement can be accomplished but decrease in brittle. And then to improve stability rather than strength. And lastly, occur at higher temperature and need less time. The table show that T5 treatment requirement for aluminum alloy A356 grade. For hardness, material ability to withstand persistent plastic deformation, and then an indicator which is often a sphere is compressed against the surface of specimen. It requires for slowly applying a predetermined force. And after that, a certain amount time, hardness value compute and display on the testing device. Lastly, indicator is removed from surface and documented in the criteria. Summary for this chapter. Firstly, application of aluminum composite in industry has been well accepted because of their high strength and tough under certain conditions. Secondly, material that do not have appropriate parameter which show a very significant defect that will affect the overall process of fabrication, especially porosity defect. Thirdly, during Tixoforming, solid fraction has an essential effect on the viscosity of the material due to the high viscosity of a low solid fraction. Flowability of slurry will be diminished during formation. And then precipitation hardening, which is T5 treatment, is the only other option for gaining strength of material. Rockwell hardness test used for the hardness test because of their unique mechanism that will be identified at the surface of the specimen. Chapter 3, it is methodology that consists of sample preparation, mechanical casting, thermoform, and lastly hardness. Sample preparation. Firstly, step of fabrication was prepare the aluminum alloy A356 billet that had been combined and mixed to carbon nanotube by using magnesium as wetting agent. It concludes of mechanical casting, thermoforming, heat treatment, and hardness test. In the table, design of experiment shown that table show for design of experiment in this sample preparation. For mechanical casting, firstly, ready aluminum alloy foil roll that contain of CNT and magnesium with the right composition for preheating, while melting aluminum alloy by temperature initial set at 606 degrees Celsius. Then, when aluminum alloy melt, temperature furnace brought down to 650 degrees Celsius, and then insert foil roll by using metal plunger. Add foil into and then add foil into aluminum alloy. Hold the foil while 500 rpm stirrer run for 10 minutes and 15 minutes. Mechanical stirrer pull out and metal aluminum alloy pour into permanent mold until fully reach the gate. And then after that, put the furnace mold for reheated excess melting material for second pairing. Permanent mold had been knocked by hammer to get the billet out and clamp it back. Pour material, and then lastly pour material for second billet. For thermoforming process, forming 26 mm forming specimen had been placed at the center inside the induction coil on the hydraulic ramp. Then ingot heated to semi-solid temperature by using the high frequency induction coil. Thermography and calibrated K-type thermocouple were used to monitor the heating of each billet. Specimen was stripped of its thermocouple and compressed using a hydraulic cylinder press with a load capacity of 20 kN and compression velocity of 85 mm per second at its maximum. During pressing, pressure maintained for 15 seconds. Thermoform material produced at 30 mm multiple by 90 mm specimen. For T5 treatment procedure, firstly open the door and put material into the oven, and then close the door. Set the temperature to 100 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. With specific artificial and precipitate aging, and repeat this step for other specimen. For hardness test procedure, firstly ball and data was used to test force to a sample. Secondly, surface break affect the surface finish that make the preload breaks. Surface crack are a result of hardness depth. Thirdly, adaptation depth are evaluated on material after a preset dwell time when the test force has been applied. And then load administered 100% in its totality to ensure maximum test load. This force was maintained for a specific amount of time for elastic recovery. Major load release and become preliminary load. And lastly, retention test was done with the same amount of time and at the same test force to measure the final adaptation of the depth. For summary of chapter 3, firstly, target of the step to gain and compose to the simple, creative and improper solution that can lead to the analysis of each result with a good explanation and description is determined. And secondly, the work that had been done also target the right parameter of each process fabrication to is the hardness test of the isoform CNT aluminum metal composite. And then ultimate aim of the step to enhance new material that can improve the strength of the material by using T5 treatment. Lastly, test specimen in terms of hardness by using Rockwell hardness test. So this is chapter 4. Chapter 4 consists of result Rockwell hardness test. Hardness test had been done for two phases, which is after Tesoform and after T5 treatment process. This type of test had been done to look for the comparison hardness. Surface depth is the identification of the test result. Hardness, this is hardness test after Tesoforming. Hardness result test after Tesoforming have been determined in the pieces shape. It was to investigate the hardness value of Tesoforming process after mechanical steel casting. And then highest magnesium and CNT composition into aluminum alloy, followed by Tesoforming process with greater harden the material in ductility. This is hardness after T5 treatment. T5 condition had deleterious effect of ductility and lower the strength. The relationship between composition of CNT and magnesium for each specimen between hardness after Tesoform and after T5 treatment with different mechanical stirring time had been determined. This is the result for specimen A, hardness for 10 minutes. You can see different types of composition of CNT and magnesium. Specimen A hardness 10 minutes stirrer, and then this is specimen B hardness 10 minutes stirrer. The blue color show that it is hardness after T5 heat treatment at 200 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. This is the graph for specimen A hardness at 15 minutes stirrer. And this is specimen B hardness for 15 minutes stirrer. So you can see that higher composition carbon nanotube and magnesium will increase the ductility and strength of the material. Higher stirring time of mechanical steel casting will mix the mixture perfectly, permanently. And lastly, T5 heat treatment had increased the material. So for conclusion, firstly, mechanical properties due to the T5 heat treatment, aging at high temperature 200 degrees Celsius for 1 hour increase the hardness of a material. Strength of ductile will be increased but decrease in brittle. For recommendation, firstly, studies on the effect of Tesoforming temperature and characteristics to the permanent cast aluminum alloy. And then research on the latest distinct types certified trimmer temperature according to the CNT and magnesium composition mixture during fabrication process. So thank you, that's all from me.